Hello everyone. Question is, when using the confluent Kafka distribution, where does the schema registry reside? Option A, as a separate JVM component. Option B, as an in-memory plugin on your Zookeeper cluster. Option C, as an in-memory plugin on your Kafka brokers. Option D, as an in-memory plugin on your Kafka Connect workers. Correct answer is option A. Question is, when auto.create.topics.enable is set to true in Kafka configuration, what are the circumstances under which a Kafka broker automatically create a topic? Select three options. Option A, client requests metadata for a topic. Option B, consumer reads message from a topic. Option C, client alters numbers of partitions of a topic. Option D, producer sends message to a topic. Correct answer is option A, B and option D. Question is, what is not a valid authentication mechanism in Kafka? Option A, SASL/GSS API. Option B, SASL/SCRAM. Option C, SAML. Option D, SSL. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what is the disadvantage of request or response communication? Option A, scalability. Option B, reliability. Option C, coupling. Option D, cost. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what are the requirements for a Kafka broker to connect to a Zookeeper ensemble? Select two options. Option A, unique value for each broker's Zookeeper.connect parameter. Option B, unique value for each broker's broker.id parameter. Option C, all the brokers must share the same broker.id. Option D, all the brokers must share the same Zookeeper.connect parameter. Correct answer is option B and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, suppose you have 6 brokers and you decide to create a topic with 10 partitions and a replication factor of 3. The brokers 0 and 1 are on rack A, the brokers 2 and 3 are on rack B, and the brokers 4 and 5 are on the rack C. If the leader for partition 0 is on broker 4 and the first replica is on broker 2, which broker can host the last replica? Select two options. Option A, 6. Option B, 1. Option C, 2. Option D, 5. Option E, 0. Option F, 3. Correct answer is option B and option E. Question is, if I supply the setting compression.type is equals to snappy to my producer, what will happen? Select two options. Option A, the Kafka brokers have to decompress the data. Option B, the Kafka brokers have to compress the data. Option C, the consumers have to decompress the data. Option D, the consumers have to compress the data. Option E, the producers have to compress the data. Correct answer is option C. Question is, how much should be the heap size of a broker in a production setup on a machine with 256 GB of RAM in plain text mode? Option A, 4 GB. Option B, 128 GB. Option C, 16 GB. Option D, 512 MB. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what is the protocol used by Kafka clients to securely connect to the Confluent REST proxy? Option A, Kerberos. Option B, SASL. Option C, HTTPS, SSL or TLS. Option D, HTTP. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.